Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful brand new Resilient Lady. This incredible vessel has something for everyone. Of course, if you're an adult, it's an adults only product with delicious food and so many upgrades. And this particular suite is one of the Fab Suites. So if you're feeling fab and you want to upgrade all the way up to one of the MEGA ROCKSTAR quarters, you're going to get quite a few additional amenities and a beautiful amount of space. Now I'll take you through here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an amazing relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now I mentioned that this is a MEGA ROCKSTAR suite, which means you're gonna get that top quality service from Harr Travel as you always do, and you're gonna get your own ROCKSTAR agent. You'll have early access to booking the dining here on board, and that's one of the things that Virgin is known for. The specialty restaurants are included and they're absolutely delicious. You'll be able to book early so you can get exactly what you want when you want it. You'll have a complimentary transfer or complimentary parking at the pier. You're gonna find early embark and disembark privileges throughout the entire cruise experience. You'll have that open bar in the suite, and you'll also have a bar tab you can use each and every single day around the ship. You'll also have access to Richard's Rooftop. Now, of course, that pays homage to Sir Richard Branson himself, the founder of the Virgin brand. It's a key card access suite only area with a wonderful bar. You've got hot tubs and plenty of space to spread out. You'll have great service there and of course, all around this ship. In addition, you're gonna have Wi-Fi included. You'll also have gratuities included and so much more. Now, let's tour this Fab Suite. Now, when you walk in the door, immediately you can see a large amount of space. Now, at Harr Travel, we book a lot of groups, and oftentimes our group leaders will take one of these suites or go all the way up to the massive suite so that you can host friends or family here on board. Now, as you head inside, you've got some beautiful art. You also have just a little bit of storage there, and you'll find your large sofa. Now, this does fold out, so if you have additional sailors traveling with you, they can utilize that space, and your Harr Travel advisor can guide you through that. You've got a coffee table right in the middle. Of course, you can also use it as a dining table and take advantage of the expanded room service menu. Directly across, you'll find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship. Of course, watch your favorite television channels or stream on demand. I did want to point out this tablet here, so you can actually watch on the tablet. You can utilize it to control the TV, the lighting, the temperature, and much, much more. Now underneath, you've got a bit of storage here. You'll also find a ton of plugs. You've got several US plugs there, a European plug, and USB chargers you can use throughout. There's lots of great touches in this suite. You got the Nintendo Switch. You can have your friends over and play some competitive games. I know I always love that. And then you'll also find some upgraded rock amenities. You see the Gibson SG here. If you want to rock out to some Back in Black, of course, you can do that right here in your suite. Now, as we continue along, tucked in the corner is that bottomless bar I was speaking of. They'll replenish that as you'd like. You've got fully stocked mini fridge underneath as well. You've got a choice of still and sparkling water. That's another one of the great inclusions in addition to sodas, drip coffees, and teas. Now, of course, Virgin is known for music. In addition to having your guitar in here, you also have a record player. They've got a library for you to choose from. You've got a US plug and a USB just behind, and you can utilize those Bose speakers. Tucked in the corner, you've got a small seating area here. And as we head through, we'll step into the bedroom space. Now you've got a chair tucked in the corner. You also have another beautiful chair and ottoman. And you'll find right here, you've got your large bed. Now you've got highly upgraded pillows, mattress, and of course those linens. You've got nightstands on either side with a US and USB chargers. Once again, you've got another one of the tablets. You can use it right in here and stream to your second large flat panel TV. Also fully interactive, and you can take advantage of that large collection. Next up, you're gonna find your vanity. So you've got drawers underneath for storage. You'll also find your hairdryer in there, a US and a European plug, and a nice large mirror that you can use to get ready. Now, as we continue through the space, one of the great features of this particular suite is that you actually have 2 water closets. So just in here, you've got a water closet. You're gonna find that you have the sink. And what I appreciate about that is if you have friends or family coming over, or maybe you have anybody sleeping in this particular space, they can utilize that without heading into your bathroom. Tucked in between, you'll find your storage. You've got hanging storage all the way across here, storage down below. You'll also find some laundry amenities. Now on the other side, you're gonna find drawers down below, a full laptop size safe, and then you also will find shelves for storage in addition. Now as we step into the bathroom, you're gonna find some extra comfy bathrobes that you can utilize here on board, make you feel like a rock star, because keep in mind, you're also gonna get complimentary access to the thermal suite. You've got a large countertop here that you can utilize, a little bit of storage up above and down below. You have a US plug, and then tucked just behind, you'll have your other water closet. I do like that they have the door for privacy. Now as I head around the corner, you've got a large walk-in shower. Now I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit in here. You've got the large rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand, a nice bench seat, and highly upgraded bath amenities. Now you've got a nice large window here. Keep in mind they have a cover. Depending on who you're traveling with, you can utilize that, or you can let the light in. Now as you step outside, you have a really large terrace. You're gonna see that you have a full sofa here. You also have a coffee table, a table and 2 chairs. Of course, you can have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. For me, there's just something magical about having that fresh ocean air, and of course, the sailing in and out of beautiful ports around the world, sitting right here on your terrace. You're gonna have 2 overstuffed loungers. You also have a cocktail table, and then you've got their signature red hammock tucked in the corner from Yellow Leaf. Our guests love it, and many of them purchase them when they get home. Now, a really unique feature is you do have an outdoor shower right here as well. And once again, stepping out into your own fresh air, you have a beautiful amount of space inside. You've got a beautiful amount of space outside as well. Once again, when you're feeling fab, make sure that you check out our full ship tour. We've got all the other rooms and suites for you to peruse. And when you're ready to book this incredible suite or book any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your Virgin cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.